Welcome to Factory Tour Global. Born from nature, refined by future.
Factory Tour Global. Exclusive look inside the factory. Full process step by step.
Witness the transformation of raw material into the world's rarest fiber.
Inside the factory, AI-driven technology delivers robotic precision.
Advanced automation protects every micron of luxury textiles. From muddy Lotus stems to premium quality, nothing is left to chance. Stay with Factory Tour Global for the complete extraction and finish. Raw material begins in the wetlands, humble stems holding priceless promise. Cleaning starts here, before machines ever touch the fiber. Selection decides everything. Only prime stems qualify for extraction.
Inside each stem, filaments rarer than conventional silk.
Contamination control begins at the source. Traceability turns tradition into industrial engineering.
Moisture preserved, so the fiber stays flexible, not brittle.
Operation is delicate. Every cut protects the hidden filament.
From wetland to smart factory, care never breaks. Now, high-tech manufacturing takes control. Clean room standards protect premium quality from the first step.
Sealed for purity, ready for robotic precision.
From here on, the process is fully automated. Full process begins, hands-off, controlled by data. Stabilization prepares stems for precise extraction. Micron-level climate control preserves the filament's integrity. Welcome to the automated production line. AI-driven technology maps every stem before a single pull. Advanced automation begins. Raw material enters robotic precision.
Every pore is measured, nothing guessed, everything verified.
Ultrasonic cleaning removes debris without harming microfibers.
Purity is engineered at the microscopic scale.
Drying is controlled, clean, fast, and fiber-safe. Laser stripping reveals the fiber-rich layer beneath. A dust-free atmosphere keeps the filament pristine. Micro-cuts unlock the hidden channels of fiber.
This is the moment. Rare fiber meets machine control.
AI-driven tension control prevents breakage at micron scale. Mass production discipline, yet each filament treated like jewelry. Combing merges fragile strands into a continuous yarn path. Softening treatment boosts strength while preserving luxury feel. Refinement you can see. Texture engineered to perfection.
Spinning converts delicate filament into reliable yarn.
Each spool holds time, patience, and precision. Quality control runs continuously, never only at the end. Only premium quality proceeds down the line. Stability creates the signature Lotus silk drape. Now the weaving phase begins. Thread becomes fabric.
Robotic micro-weaving builds luxury textiles strand by strand.
A smart factory turns nature into engineered elegance. The transformation is visible, smooth, even, flawless. Edges sealed for durability without adding weight. Microscopic flaws are found before they can exist. Sustainability engineered. Clean water, clean fabric. Drying reveals the true luxury sheen. Finishing elevates touch, drape, and refinement. Precision folding protects every microfiber. Cutting is clean, exact, built for premium quality. Seams completed with robotic precision, smooth and durable. Quality verified, flawless texture, consistent weave. Tracked, authenticated, and ready for final presentation. Product leaves the line, protected like a rare gem. Next, the final stages that make Lotus silk truly luxurious. Inside the factory, finishing begins with sealed chain control. Relaxation restores natural drape for luxury textiles. Steam finishing aligns microfibers without abrasion.
Robotic precision sets perfect geometry. Every millimeter counts.
Sheen is calibrated. Satin finish, consistently luxurious.
Surface refinement delivers the signature Lotus silk touch. Edges perfected, clean lines for premium quality. AI-driven testing verifies strength without damage. Multispectral inspection exposes flaws invisible to the eye. Even microscopic imperfections are corrected, not ignored. Presentation folding protects the fabric's luxury drape. Protection added, ready for final quality gate. Authentication embedded, traceable luxury, end to end. Dust-free verification, sterile lab standards maintained. Static removed, fabric falls with effortless elegance. Final gate cleared, premium quality confirmed. Packaging becomes part of the luxury experience. Every layer is aligned with robotic precision. The world's rarest fiber rests like a crown jewel. Sealed with elegance, ready for final human inspection. The automated production line delivers perfection to the final gate.
Logistics engineered. Precision continues beyond production.
A sterile handoff prepares for human quality assurance. Automation complete. Now luxury is verified by expert eyes. Factory Tour Global. Exclusive look inside the factory, where premium quality is proven. This is the world's rarest fiber. Lightweight, refined, unforgettable. Every weave line meets strict industrial engineering standards. Drape is the signature. Luxury textiles defined by motion.
Sheen verified. Consistent, elegant, premium.
Authenticated and traceable. Factory Tour Global Quality. Locked in. From raw material to high-value product, this is transformation.
Sealed for the world. Crafted with exquisite craftsmanship.
Prepared for global delivery. Luxury meets sustainability. Step-by-step control. Premium quality never left to chance. Now, inside the showroom, where rare fiber becomes desire. Luxury textiles, born from lotus stems, perfected by automation.
The world's rarest fiber. Light captured in thread.
Exquisite craftsmanship, you can see. Precision, you can feel. Protected, presented, and ready for the world. Inside the factory, we engineered luxury. Now, we reveal it.
Factory Tour Global. Your exclusive look at the future of manufacturing.
From raw material to high-value product, pure transformation.
Luxury is not a label, it's a process.
Finished with elegance, crafted for premium quality. Born from lotus stems, refined by advanced automation. The world's rarest, engineered with robotic precision. Luxury textiles that feel like air, yet endure like art.
Welcome to Factory Tour Global, and this was our exclusive look inside the factory.
Full process, step by step. Nature transformed into premium quality. High-tech manufacturing delivers exquisite craftsmanship at scale. Premium quality is verified by both machines and masters.
A high-value product deserves a final signature of trust.
Sustainability and luxury, sealed for a global journey.
Mass production, guided by precision. without losing rarity.
Inside the factory, the future is built, then displayed with pride. The world's rarest fiber, revealed in pure luxury.
Factory Tour Global. Exclusive look, exquisite craftsmanship, premium quality.
Welcome to Factory Tour Global, where nature meets advanced automation. Full process, step by step. Raw material transformed into luxury textiles.
Factory Tour Global. Inside the factory, the future of high-tech manufacturing is here.